Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Oluwayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, get closer. Get closer. There is a quotation ascribed to Anthony Robbins. It says, in every difficult situation, there lies an opportunity for everyone to be great. I recapitulate. In every difficult situation, there lies an opportunity for everyone to be great. When you view an opportunity from a distance, it looks like a problem. It appears difficult, complex, and insurmountable. That is the way a lot of people are viewing and are watching the payment of program fee monthly right now. But when you get close enough to it, you will see that it is actually something simple, something achievable, and something profitable. Most opportunity in reality comes in work clothes. Guys, congratulations to all TVians, especially to the court members, the faithful TVians who have been paying program fee all along, and their program fee has been what is making the TBC to continue growing, continue running. The payment of this program fee has kept TBC running, has kept the community going. Guys, indeed, thank you to every one of you all. When you view payment of programs from afar, it grains is much equivalent in your own different countries currency is much. You look at it, but it is achievable, it is surmountable, and it is profitable. None of us knew that Kale of coins will come in future. We were faithful paying the program fee. There were different castigations, different naysayers were saying different things against the TBC admin and against we that are faithfully paying our program fee regularly. Guys, you can see that it pays. It pays. Is there something you have been avoiding because it just seems too so overwhelming? If you are a TBC and you are avoiding payment of program fee because you feel it is overwhelming, you can't be committing that amount monthly. I want you to move closer, look and examine TBC critically, and you will see that it is profitable, it is achievable, and indeed, it is an opportunity that comes to you in work clothes. Move to it. Move to where you can see the details. Come in. Attend the mass adoption meeting regularly. Read all the posts, any post that has been posted on the blog, read it critically. Get information about TBC you can get. Get the understanding of what TBC is. You will understand that yes, indeed, it is worth it. Pick one of those details and go work on it. When you are through with that, go to the other details. Go to the next one and the next one. And by that, you will have apt understanding of all, good understanding of all what TBC stands for. You'll be able to understand a lot of things about the policy of TBC. Before long, the big, complex, overwhelming challenges is in the fact something you can handle. That's when you have actually moved closer and you have seen everything to details. The most ambitious goals, the most burdensome tasks are not nearly as daunting as they may first appear. All you need is the courage to walk across them and take a closer look. If you are just listening to this broadcast for the first time, you're not yet it patience, don't stand back. Move closer. Get information on what TBC is, and you will understand that yes, it is achievable and it is profitable. So, when you do, You will also discover a secret shared by all those who accomplish great things. There is no limit to what one can achieve in life. You only need to move closer and get the details. So, guys, I encourage everyone, don't forget, January 12th is our day, the day we are expecting for our key love to be released to every one of us. Don't forget, it is based on meritocracy to be released to all the core team members. Those of us that did not and will not default in our payment of program fee. Guys, if you have the opportunity, pay the 1 year fee and go and relax. The annual fee. Let us keep TBC going. Let's keep TBC running. And in turn, we are doing ourselves a favor. So, guys, I wish you all the well. Don't forget, we are already in February. Early days of February, pay your program fee. Pay your program fee. Thank you all. I wish you a wonderful and a beautiful day. Don't forget, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, click on that link and subscribe to the channel and share this to the loved one. Just that bell by your right hand side. Click on it and subscribe. And there's a link below this video. Click on that link and register if you are not yet a member of TBC. You are welcome on board. TBC, Eradicating Poverty, giving voice to the voiceless, and what? TBC, showing grace to mankind. Thank you. Bye for now.